What if you could turn something that wasn't even meant for storage into a handy organizer? Take a look at these 8 unexpected joint chain hacks that can help you tidy up and make the most of your space. Even though they weren't designed for storage, joint chains are actually great for keeping clutter under control. These little links are flexible, easy to use, and their interlocking shape makes them perfect for simple, creative organizing around the house. Need more room for clothes? Clip 2 joint chains to your closet rod. Then attach the other ends to hold another rod underneath. A tension rod works best since you can adjust the length. This quick trick doubles your hanging space without needing a bigger closet. Wondering if you can get more hanging space to dry your clothes in a small laundry room? Simply use the same method to add more drying space instantly. You can use S-hooks to make it faster to set up and take down when you don't need it. Easily hang a second rod under your laundry pole, and you'll have extra room for big laundry days. Using joint chains also makes it simple to adjust the height to fit your laundry needs. Save space by hanging your clothes vertically with joint chains. This way, you can fit more hangers in one row while still seeing each item clearly. It's an easy way to keep your closet tidy and less cramped. You can also hang a chain and use the links to store hats, bags, or other daily items. It keeps everything visible and easy to grab. If you place one by the entrance, you can easily pick things up on your way out and hang them back when you get home. Alternatively, simply hang a chain sideways to store smaller items. It's great for accessories, keys, or sunglasses. In the entryway, this hack keeps your daily essentials organized and easy to find. Wrap chains around big items like towels, yoga mats, or blankets to keep them rolled up. This keeps bulky things secure and out of the way. You can also use chains to hang pillows, bolsters, or plush toys. The chains keep them off the ground while letting air move around them, helping them dry faster. If you attach chains to a wire grid, you can hang it on a window grill to create extra space for drying things when it's sunny. You can also use it to hang socks, handkerchiefs, or small towels efficiently, giving them enough space all around for air to circulate so they dry quicker. Sometimes it's the little tweaks that make home life smoother. Joint chains may not look like much, but they can be handy helpers that make your daily life a little easier.